Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Evernote premium subscription or downgrade to the free plan, follow these step-by-step instructions for proper account management and cancellation. Step 1. Log into your Evernote account on the Evernote website using your credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Account Settings or Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Navigate to the Subscription or Account Summary section to view your current plan details. Step 5. Look for Manage Subscription or Cancel Subscription option and click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. If your subscription is managed through the App Store or Google Play, you'll need to cancel through those platforms instead. Evernote will provide links. Step 7. For web-based subscriptions, click Cancel Subscription, and Evernote will ask you to provide a reason for canceling. Select an appropriate option. Step 8. Review what you'll lose by canceling premium, such as increased upload limits, offline access, and advanced search capabilities. Step 9. Evernote may offer alternatives like a discounted subscription or a pause option. Review these if interested, or proceed with cancellation. Step 10. Confirm your cancellation by clicking Continue to Cancel or Cancel Subscription. Your premium access will continue until the end of the current billing period. Step 11. Check your email for confirmation from Evernote, verifying your cancellation and noting when your premium benefits will expire. Step 12. After cancellation, your account will automatically downgrade to Evernote Free. Your notes and notebooks will remain intact, but you'll have limited features. Step 13. If you exceed the free plan's device limit or upload quota, you may need to manage your account accordingly after downgrading. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.